Today, apes are already capable of far more than most people realize. They use tools, open complex locks, can memorize hundreds of symbols, and even learn simple sign language. But now imagine that one day they suddenly become twice as intelligent as humans. If apes became smarter than the very species capable of building cities and traveling into space, what would happen next? At first, people would not even realize that anything had changed. Apes would not start building cities or creating computers overnight, but they would immediately begin learning new things. If mastering a new skill currently takes months or even years, it would now take them only a matter of days. They would begin sharing knowledge with one another much faster, inventing new ways to solve problems and accumulating experience at an incredible pace. At that point, people would begin to suspect that something was wrong and that the apes were starting to behave very differently. The first places where this would become obvious would be zoos and scientific laboratories. If modern apes can already escape by opening a latch or taking advantage of a caretaker's mistake, then creatures capable of thinking twice as well as humans would almost certainly find dozens of ways to break free. They would begin working together, planning their actions in advance, distracting people and helping one another. Keeping such apes behind bars would become nearly impossible. Gradually, people would begin to change the way they viewed them. Most would stop seeing them as ordinary animals. In many countries, debates would begin over whether it was even morally acceptable to keep such highly intelligent beings in cages. Massive protests against holding apes in captivity would spread across the world. Experiments involving them would begin to be banned, and entirely new laws might be created specifically for them. For the first time in history, humanity would have to coexist with another species capable of thinking at an extremely advanced level. Soon afterward, humans would try to establish genuine communication with them. Artificial intelligence could play a huge role by helping translate gestures, sounds, and other forms of communication. After some time, humans and apes might even be able to hold real conversations. If that happened, humans would no longer be the only beings capable of exchanging complex ideas. At the same time, it would become clear that apes see the world in a completely different way. They have spent their entire lives in the wild, noticing things that humans stopped paying attention to long ago. They might understand the behavior of other animals, changes in forests, and the relationships between different species far better than we do. It is entirely possible that, thanks to them, humanity would discover many things about nature that had remained a mystery for centuries. Knowledge would begin flowing in both directions. Humans would not only teach apes, but apes would also teach humans. Their knowledge could help people take much better care of the natural world. After a few decades, apes might begin building settlements of their own. They would not necessarily resemble human cities. Their civilization could look completely different. They might use different materials, different methods of construction, and organize their society in entirely different ways. For the first time in Earth's history, two separate intelligent civilizations would exist at the same time. By then, it would become completely clear that humans were no longer the planet's only dominant species. Apes would also want places where they could live according to their own rules. Most likely, humanity would have to set aside vast natural territories where they could develop without constant human interference. This might become the only way to avoid continuous conflicts between the two civilizations. However, if humans continued trying to control such an intelligent species, the consequences could become far more serious. Sooner or later, the interests of both civilizations would begin to overlap. Land, forests, water, and natural resources would become valuable to both sides. Humanity could find itself facing the first conflict between two different intelligent species. This time, humans would no longer have the advantage of superior intelligence, so nobody could know whether humanity would still be the stronger side. The apes might even claim part of the Earth's territory for themselves so they could live independently. Whether apes obtained their territory peacefully or through conflict, some humans might eventually choose to live among them. If their civilization proved to be calmer, safer, or better adapted to nature, there would surely be people willing to move there permanently. This would become something entirely new in Earth's history, with humans voluntarily choosing to live alongside another intelligent species. A being that is twice as intelligent as a human might truly choose peace instead of constantly fighting one another as humans often do. As the decades passed, the ape population would continue to grow. They would form families and pass their knowledge on to every new generation. If modern humans needed thousands of years to build civilization, then creatures twice as intelligent as humans might accomplish the same journey much faster. Every new generation would be born into a society where accumulated knowledge had grown even greater. After 1 or 2 centuries, Earth might be home not to thousands but to millions of intelligent apes. Humanity might eventually have to negotiate with them over the transfer of additional territories. At that point, people who had always been accustomed to seeing themselves as the #1 species on Earth would begin asking a very different question. If the population of intelligent apes continued to grow larger and larger, would they one day decide to take control of humanity?